Hello and welcome to our video instruction on how to use the Inset 30 infusion set. Please note that this guide is not a substitute for reading the instructions for use, which comes with the product. Please refer to those instructions for a complete list of warnings and precautions. When using the product for the first time, do so in the presence of a healthcare professional. The Inset 30 infusion set has a soft cannula supporting a 30-degree angle and comes with an integrated insertion device called a serter. The serter is an incorporated part of the product and contains the set and tubing. Here you can see the parts of the infusion set: disconnect cover, sterile paper, insertion device, introducer needle, lined indentations, hold here when loading Inset 30, release buttons, press here when releasing Inset 30, tubing, connector needle, circular protective cap, adhesive, soft cannula, cannula housing, needle protector, lid. Before you begin, check the tamper-proof seal and sterile paper. Do not use if the seal or paper have been broken. Wash your hands before inserting the infusion set and choose an insertion site as recommended by your healthcare provider. Clean the area for insertion with a disinfectant as directed by your healthcare provider. Be sure the area is air-dried before inserting the infusion set. Pull the red tape to remove the tamper-proof seal. Remove the sterile paper. Hold on the lined indentations while gently pulling the lid off. Be careful not to bend or touch the introducer needle when preparing the serter and infusion set. The needle should come placed securely in the serter, pointing straight, not at an angle or loose. If it is at an angle, or if it is loose and insertion is attempted, pain or minor injury may occur. Place your fingers on the lined indentations on each side. Pull the spring back softly until you hear a click. The needle protector will lift up and peel off. If the needle protector does not peel off, carefully remove it without touching the adhesive. Be careful not to touch or bend the needle. Place one finger on the top release button and one on the bottom release button. Position Inset 30 with its legs level and flat on the skin to ensure an insertion angle of 30 degrees. Make sure you maintain a 30-degree angle while inserting and gently squeeze once to insert the Inset 30. To make sure that the cannula stays in place, put your index finger gently on the clear window while removing the serter and introducer needle. Pull it gently straight back, being careful not to touch the needle. Secure the cannula with one finger on the clear window. Carefully remove the backing paper under the back part of the cannula housing. Remove the backing paper under the front part. Massage the adhesive onto the skin. Put the lid back on the serter for disposal. Connect the luer end of the tubing to your pump according to the pump manufacturer's instructions. Remove the circular protective cap. Fill the tubing until insulin dispenses from the tip. Ensure there are no air bubbles remaining in the tubing. When filling the tubing, hold the connector needle pointing down. Place a finger in front of the cannula housing and insert the connector needle until you hear a click. Fill the empty space in the cannula. Inset 30 allows you to temporarily disconnect your pump without having to change the infusion set. Place a finger just in front of the cannula housing and gently squeeze the sides of the Inset 30 connector. Pull the connector needle straight out. If preferred, insert the circular protective cap into the connector needle and the disconnect cover into the cannula housing until you hear a click. Remove the disconnect cover from the cannula housing. Remove the circular protective cap. Fill the tubing until insulin dispenses from the tip. When filling the tubing, hold the connector needle pointing down. Place a finger in front of the cannula housing and push the connector needle straight in until you hear a click. Now you are ready to restart your insulin delivery. We hope you found this video helpful. For further information about the infusion sets, please contact your local infusion set supplier or Convatec Infusion Care.